Number 21. It's a foul. Number 29. Holding foul number 29. First number.
Ayan, 4-0. 4-0 po in favor po Team Balaygi.
Save ball. Villanesa. Villanesa number 24. Wow! There is one man. Yes!
Good. 4-2 Balaygi. 4-2 Balaygi.
Kasi kita pa yung tatlo. Kita pa yung kalimutan nito. Sana na. Rebound. Ano ba may Yames? Yames! Malaking nama! Yes! Rebound like Gala! Laem! 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 Turnover! Kubigay ball! Number 24. Number 7, yes. Villanesa. Alan. There's a foul. Blocking foul number 28 for Cruz. Matiging Kaldo. Menangkan Kaldo dari apa mati sana. Number 4. Still, number 4 Pasok. Sudayan. Sudayan. Yes,
Ayan, 6-2 Balaygi.
Jawab. Sudayan.
Balaygi. 8-2. 8-2 Balaygi.
8-2. Tubigay. Ay, Balaygi. Time out. Time out. Tubigay. Balaygi. Kakaiba game. Dilayan. Ribay ka ball. Basta for Cruz. For Cruz. Ribay.
Ayan, 10-2 Balaygi.
Villanesa.
10-2 Balaygi.
Number 11.
12-2, 10-point lead ito Balaygi. 4 minutes and 38 sa ating first quarter.
Rosilla. Number 5. Number 0, Tulpigay out. Number 7, Solo. Yes. Yes, sir.
Ayan. 12-4. 12-4 in favor of Balaygi.
Number 2, Lamb. Number 3, Lamb. Number 4. Out of bounds, last touch by number 11. Same ball to Pigay. Number 5. Out. Number 19 in. Moving.
15-4 Balaygi. 3 minutes and 40 sa ating first quarter.
Number 19, supply. Second shot ng violation. Pag-viewing ko Miss Paula sa Balbat. Pag-viewing, sir. Yeah! Number 7, yes! Number 7, yes, sir! Tolentino.
17-6 Balaygi. Plus 3 minutes left sa ating first quarter.
Yes, nagkakamutan. 7-7. Saring ang lalaki. Balaygi ball.
19-6 Balaygi. Ayan, 6-22 Balaygi.
Balaygi. Booming. Sudayan. Number 8.
Number 3 points Balaygi. 25-6 Balaygi. 1 minute and 54 sa ating first quarter.
7-7, Valentino. 7-7, Sudayan. Sudayan, number 11. Pass to Lael. JRM. To number 8.
Ayan, 28-6 Balaygi.
Again. Number 8. 11. To number 2. Lael. To number 8 again. To one last. Nakshika.
31-6 Balaygi. 31-6 Balaygi. Plus 15 seconds sa ating first quarter.
Number 11, Sudayan. Pushing the ball. Number 9. There's a wisdom inside. Foul number 7, Ines.
6:33.
Pagin.
Balaygi.
Number.
Last 40 seconds sa ating first quarter.
Na number 38. Purpose of. Number 7. Same ball. 15 to shoot. That's 30 seconds. Vienesa. There's a whistle. Foul number 10. Rosete. Sumit. Takin. Red flag. Baligi. Takin. Jason. Bernardino. Number 7. Hey! Going still. Bernardino number 4. Plus 20. Second. Rodon. Sudayan. Short. There's a foul. Foul number 10. That's 9 seconds. That's 9 seconds. Bernardino. Tingin ball. That's 5 seconds. That's 5 seconds.
6:33. Balaygi. Ayan. Point 2 sa ating first quarter.
And of the first quarter, official score 33-6 in favor of Poblacion Balegui. Next game, Sampaman versus Balakpak. Back to the bowling. Sumasalak. Vienesa. Sherman. Bernardino. Rosete. Tusciani number 10, Rosete.
Ayan. 6:35. Balaygi.
Wala pa rin.
6:35. Balaygi.
0. There's a foul. Foul number 10, Rosete. Second personal foul number 10, Rosete. Number 8 out.
Ayaw man, hindi ko po dito yung
Yes, sir. Bernardino, number 12.
Madam, excuse me.
Eden, Jerome, Bagana, number 10. Jerome. Skill. Number 4.
Ayan, 8:37.
Number
Balay G.
10. Roselle. Bronze. Pagirikan number 3. Pagirikan. Standing on the line. 10 second shot clock. Pagirikan. Roselle number 10. Tuan Andreas. Something technical number 10. Technical foul. First warning number 10 Roselle.
Ayun. 9:40 in favor po iti Balay G.
Foul. Foul number 16. Sobrang number 10. Roselle out. Beligi. Number 3. Ibarra. Third man, Marino. Otoy! Ibarra! Number 4! Yes, sir! Ang bilis mo. Nakakaiwan.
11:40.
Number
Ito pa
1.
Balay G.
Otoy, number 1. Ibarra! Pinasa sa wala. Jungle. Sibon. Bernardino. To Bernardino. Clear the pass. Bernardino.
11:43 Balay G.
Number 7. Number 4. Sherman. Punch. Basket. Number 8. Foul on number 20. Bernardino. Bonus shot on number 0. Tolentino. Jaco. Yes, bonus shot.
Ayan, 43-14. Balay
Bernardino, number brown. Number brown, Bernardino. To Bernardino, number 20. Bernardino. Villanesa.
14-45, Balaygi.
Number 7, Ines. Alan Rosales. Short. Number 12, Bernardino. Number 12 pa rin. Joshua, Tagol. Binulan mo din si Bernardino. Joshua, Tagol. Buka may sablay. Bernardino. Buka na yung ball. Villanesa. Laging foul. Foul number 1. Ibarra. Red flag. Balingi. Villanesa. Bufal. Number 9, Michael Cola. Number 1, Ibarra. 3-second violation. 3-second violation. Hindi na naman ang team. 2-team na ball. Number 7, Ines. Ines. Prima ba? Number 12, Bernardino. Bernardino. Bernardino pa rin. Time to shoot. 5 to shoot. Bernardino. Time out. Balingi. Last 2 minutes, 53 seconds in the second quarter. Official score 45-17. Balingi. Next game, the main event. Sampalan versus Malacca. Magbibuhay ka sa Cesar Ines o Barangay Rinodo. Welcome to Barangay Balizor. Bernardino, Tuwilang Brass, number 12, Takin. Number 4, Villanesa.
Ayan, 20-48 in favor po ti Balaygi.
Number 12, number 1. Ibarra. Hindi ka doon. Bernardino. Number 4. Green flag. Untoy. Number 1. Number 12. Villanesa. 1-2. Villanesa. To the court. Number 77. Number 7. Step up play. Number 5. Cesar. Rebound number 28. Zero. Number 0. Tolentino. Foul. Foul. Committed by number 15. Penalty. Berlegi is under penalty situation. Good shot. Martina.
Ayan, 50-20, 30-point lead, Balaygi.
Sobrat, number 12, Fernandino, out.
Allah! Hot! 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 Hot!
30 seconds. Second foul number 7. Second personal foul number 7. Second team foul to Bigay. To Cruz. Nagul. Julianesa. Julianesa. Las 10 seconds. 7-7. Foul number 7. Open foul. Let's go. Number 11. And in the first half, official score 50-20 in favor of Balaygi. Number 7, Kumigay, third personal foul. And number 10, Balaygi, third personal foul. Number 7, Rosales. No good, they don't let her fight it out. Number 8, the post. Leo Masiro, ay, nakakaw. La M. Number 2, La M. Number 94. Number 0, Rosales. Number 2, Baslet, Bulagas. The post. Number 7, Ines. There's a foul.
Ayan, 20-53 Balaygi.
Foul number 11, Sudayan. First personal foul. First team foul. Balaygi. Number 11, Sudayan. Yes, number 5. Number 84. 77, yes sir. Number 11, Sudayan. Number 8. Raymond Bay. And 1. There's no whistle. Foul number 7. Subject. Number 0. To be out. Number 7. To be last warning. Shot number 9, Gawa. Yes.
Ayan, 58-22 in favor po Itik
Number 1.
Balaygi.
Number 5. To number 11, Sudayan. Gawa. There's a whistle. Foul number 10. Sabret. Number 7, Bumigay out. Number 3, Rosales team. Yes, with the first shot. Number 39. Yes, again, number 39.
Ayan, 22-16 in favor po Balaygi.
Number 10, Even. Number 94, Villanesa. Number 5, Pastor. Tubigan mo. Rosales. Number 27. Yes, sir. Takbo, ano pa rin ito? Para Carabao. 62-22. Ano? 26. Number 11. Sudayon. Number M. Purpose. 5 to shoot. La M. 3 points, number 2. La M.
Ala-ala.
Tama din record. Baka dadukas Jeko. Delete ka mo. Kaya.
Number 84, Lilian Nessa. Number 5. Gawat! Ang kalabaw! There's a foul. Foul number 84, Sobek. Number 16, Rosales out. And number 10, Ibe. Jerome out. For Tubigay. 2 shots. For number 39. Kapot. Bukento. Zero minus 1-7. Number 0. Zero minus 5. Lahat, gusto tayo. The Bulls. 3 points again. The Bulls. Perianesa. Yes, sir. Number 24. Sutayon. Gawat ang kalabaw ng Balege. Tuilar ang baka ng Balege. There's a foul. Baka ang kalabaw. Foul. Red flag. Tubigay. Number 3. Number 11. Sobek. Number 3. Tubigay out.
28-69.
Number 7.
Balay. 3 minutes and 22 sa ating third quarter.
Set up. Uy! Mayroon by number 5. Ilan? Last 3 minutes. 5 seconds. Sudayan. Running violation. Number 2.
Step mo pala kami Manila M.
Number 11, Sudayan. For number 2, Layan. Back to number 11. Last 10 to shoot. Same ball. Time out. Balege. Time remaining. Last 2 minutes. 21 seconds. We shall score 69-28. Balegi. to first. Still there for number 3. 77 to number 7. To number 94. Number 94. Follow shot. Number. Oy! 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 Yes! Number 93. Sablay.
Ayun, 69-30. Balaygi. Seventy-one 30 Balaygi. 1 minute and 56 sa ating third quarter.
Sumablay, sinamay natin ito eh. Sablay.
Tumboy ba?
Number 2. Sablay. Yes. Number 8. Number 7, yes. Black. Number 8. Bullet pass, number 2. Black end. There's a foul. There's a foul. Foul here. So good. Number 5, Balaygi out. And number 11, Balaygi out. Penalty ref. Penalty. To PI, it's under penalty situation. Yes, for the last draw.
Ayan, 30-74 Balaygi.
Julianesa. No. Second. Naman. Julianesa again. No good. Sudayan. Number 8. Rosella, number 10. Good. Pinasahan number 8. Number 38. Talaga ba? Number 10.
Ayun, 30-79 Balaygi.
Number 7. There's a whistle. Foul number 8. First personal foul number 8. 2 shots. 2 shots. 1. 7. Number 23. Number 8. Last 15 seconds. Sudayan. Number 9. Suga, number 94. Julianesa. And the third quarter. He shall score. Balegi. Back to the game. Last quarter. Number 6. Number 10. Tunggu selatan number 6. Bakal number 10. 3-second violation.
Lain lagi passing mo.
Number 7. Ines. Ines. Yes, sir. Number 7. Ines. Abena. Crossing. Number 10. Muli. Ang tawag bola. Susunod yung number 8. Back to number 10. Number 10. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Number 7. Ines. To number 94. Short. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Awan mo muli! Juan! Repere! Muli!
81-34, Balaygi.
Sama sabi ko kasi nang lagi ng talaban ligi. So nagay sana. Number 6. Bossing. Bossan. One. Number 4. Back to 24. To 28. Balegi goal. Baltasar. Yames. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Yes, sir. Number 7. Yes. Number 10. Number 7. Busaman. Going to Wigan. Save ball. 16 to shoot. Number 10, number 7. That's 5. Ready for second evaluation. Number 7. 3 points. Number 94. Julianessa. Number 10, number 7. Number 38, Wanyama. Foul. Foul number 8, Sudayon. Second personal foul number 8, Sudayon. His team foul. Sobran. Number 8 out. Yung 7. Unang pamapasan. Pamapasan. Pusada! Rosales! Yes, basket for number 7. Number 10. Number 6. Walking! Rebound by 7-7. To number 98. Angela. Number 98. Number 94. Number 94. Play to shoot. 5 to shoot. Basket. Number 23, Magiligan. Yes. Pirasa, yes. Basket, number 18. Number 8, Wendy, yes, sir. Number 10. Foul number 28. 2 shots. For number 10. Number 7. Number 7, yes. Yes, sir. Number 10, number 7. Baltasar. Concede foul. Seven. Number 33, Dominic out. Number 16, 3 times. Number 16, number 7. Number 10, number 7. Knocked out. Pushing foul. This foul number 24. Villanessa. Number 10. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Number 7-7 pa rin. Number 84. Turnaround game of them. 24. Whistle, whistle. Whistle, whistle.
Ayan, 91.50. Ayan, 91.50. Balay. 1 minute and 35 sa ating last quarter.
Last warning on again.
Makataki ako! Bakit natin mo pa siya?
Yes, again. Another last bit. Gisele. Gusapa. Plan to shoot. Ano na mo? Pasok. Overshoot. Number 6, Ine. Takin. Number 10. Steal. First warning, number 24. Ay, binigay kayo sa akin. Mr. London! London! Yes, sir! Number 7. There's a foul. There's a foul. Foul number 6. Even. 2 shots. Number 15. Pinasa. Red flag. To Bigay. Number 15. Five. Number 4. Rosales. Yes, basket. Number 4. Milianesa. Last 12 seconds. The 7 seconds. 7 seconds. Pase, que la vida es.